Welcome to Excel tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So take a look at our example. So I have here a list of the names. So I want to put a drop-down list under the gender column. So I can just select either it's a male or female. And in that way, you don't have to type the gender manually one by one. Alright, so now, the first thing that you need to do is to highlight all the cells where you want the drop-down list to appear, or where you want to put the drop-down list. The next is go to the Data tab. Alright, Data tab, then go to Data Validation. So, Data Validation, then on the first tab, Settings, under Validation Criteria, under Allow, select List. Okay, then for the source, so if you have only few options on your drop-down list, you can just type the options in here and separate them in comma. So for example, male, comma, then female. Then click OK. Alright, so now you will see a drop-down arrow for these highlighted cells. For example, Adams Martin is male, Clark Sarah is female, Coleman Gerald is male, Collins Anna is female. Alright, so that will be more convenient. So next is, what if we have a very long list on our drop-down list? So for example, for the name of school. So I want to select from the drop-down list the name of the school for each of these students. So first is, let us go ahead and list the name of the schools that we want to be included on our drop-down list. So let us create or add another sheet for that and name it source sheet. Then this is for the name of schools. Name of schools. Then after that, so let us list down here all the school names. For example, UC, UV, US, JR, CTU, CNU, UP, SWU, ACT, CTS, CIT, what else? SIT, STI. So for example, I want to have all these name of the schools on my drop-down list. So let's go back to our previous sheet. Now, again, highlight all the cells where you want to put the drop-down list. Okay, so next is Data tab, Data Validation. Under Settings tab, Allow, click on List. Then instead of typing the options in here, click this icon. Then go to that sheet where you listed the name of the schools and highlight all of them, from UC all the way down to STI. And you will see here the formula. It automatically filled out this portion, data validation. Just hit enter. Alright, on this formula, if you take a look, it's equals source is the name of the sheet, then A2 through A13. This is the range where we listed our name of schools, A2 through A13. Okay, then click OK. Now we have here a drop down arrow for each of the cell. So for example, Adams Martin is from UC, Clark Sarah is from CTU, Coleman Gerald, okay, you can scroll down in here, is from CTS, Collins Anna is from CNU, like that. Alright, so that is how you create a drop-down list in Excel. Thank you so much for watching.